Ladies and gentlemen, the next event will be demonstrated by the world's best turtle fighter, the U.S. Navy F-14. The aircraft you will see today, the Gunfighter 000, is not a demonstration airplane, but one of 36 operational fighters that are flown daily by Fighter Squadron 101. Our demonstration pilot is Lieutenant Commander Chris Anderson, with Lieutenant Randy Doerr as Radar Intercept Officer. The VF-101 Grim Reapers are commanded by Commander John Manning and are home-based at Naval Air Station Oceana in Virginia Beach, Virginia. On the first pass, the Tomcat, that is built by Grumman Aerospace Corporation and powered by two Pratt & Whitney TF-30 turbofan engines, and incorporates the AWG-9 weapon system manufactured by Hughes Aircraft. 69,000 pounds. The F-14 second pass will give everyone the opportunity to see the F-14 in a slow 350-mile-an-hour flyby from the left by the Tomcat. On the next pass, the aircraft will approach from the right at approximately 350 miles an hour for a planned view pass. Lieutenant Commander Anderson will roll the aircraft into a 90-degree angle of bank and sweep the wings from the full forward 20-degree position to the full aft 68-degree position. The wing sweep can be controlled either manually or automatically by computer. In this case, they will be moved manually. The Tomcat is unique and a highly sophisticated aircraft whose operational envelope extends from the deck to 50,000 feet, from zero airspeed to twice the speed of sound. It is that variable geometry wing that you will see demonstrated on this pass that gives the F-14 the ability to maneuver throughout this envelope. The wing position is programmed according to airspeed. And slow from your left at about 500 miles an hour and execute a 360-degree level turn with the wings at the full aft and the high-speed position. Note that in this configuration, the airplane has a large delta, and the large flat surface serves as an airfoil or lifting body. Will demonstrate the slow flight characteristics of the Tomcat. The aircraft will approach from the right in the landing configuration. Airspeed will be approximately 130 miles per hour. The slow speed handling characteristics of the F-14 are exceptional. Its horizontal tail has about the same surface area as the wings of an A-4. The F-14 also has two vertical tails instead of the normal one. The large surface area, combined with a tremendous amount of thrust provided by its engines, is especially effective in carriers to stop in distances of 250 to 300 feet. Will return from your left at about 325 miles an hour and execute a 360-degree level turn to demonstrate its tight turning capability. The turn radius will be about 1/4 mile. Throughout this turn, the aircrew is withstanding 6 to 7 Gs, and the aircraft will actually accelerate to about 450 miles an hour. It is the ability to outturn and to outgun your opponent that often determines the victor in air combat. 650 miles per hour, demonstrating about 1/3 of its maximum speed capability. Note that the wings will be swept full aft. As the aircraft accelerates, the computer senses the increased speed and automatically programs the wings aft. As the wings move aft, drag is reduced and the Tomcat becomes a delta wing aircraft, such as the F-106 that is designed especially for high-speed flight. With the wings full aft, both roll and pitch controls are shifted to the horizontal tail. Additionally, the F-14 is equipped with 20mm cannon, rate of fire of 6,000 rounds per minute. Its crew of two has been proven to be the best concept for fighters, emphasizing the belief that two heads are better than one and four eyes are better than two. Finest tactical airplanes ever deployed by the U.S. Navy. The F-14 will now perform a touch and go in front of the crowd, simulating a precision approach to a carrier flight deck. The carrier has 4 wires, which the aircraft hook grabs. The arresting gear then brings the aircraft to a stop. In the event the pilot misses the wires, the pilot adds power and takes off again. Lieutenant Commander Anderson will demonstrate this on the completion of the touch and go. F-14 Top Gun airplane gets ready to land, we would like to thank and greet the folks in the Barnstormers Club, the Royal American Group, and our friend Randy Doerr. As they're coming in for a landing and touchdown, we'd like to thank our friends at Kaiser's Greenhouse. The beautiful air show mums which decorate the Barnstormers Club and the loges have been donated by Kaiser's Greenhouse and Flower Shop. The Cleveland National Air Show says a big thanks to Kaiser Greenhouse. We'd also like to thank the folks from J.B. Robinson Company. The Cleveland National Air Show would especially like to thank J.B. Robinson for their continued support. The Barnstormers Club also like to congratulate White Consolidated joining us here this weekend.